These 10 glow-up tips from this video gonna change your life. If you're looking to improve your appearance and boost your confidence, then you've come to the right place. Let's become the best version of yourselves. First, you have to get a quality haircut. And preferably that there be no fades and sharp lines. A barber or stylist who knows how to cut only with scissors can help you with that. I used to have fades too. Yes, it's quite a comfortable sporty haircut. But after a couple of days it gets ugly, overgrown, and no longer looks so impressive. For the last 4 years I've been getting classic scissor haircuts. And my hair looks healthier and shiny because it's not damaged, like when using clippers. In fact, by leaving the sides longer you are correcting your face shape. When choosing your hairstyle, it is also important to consider your own hair type, wardrobe, and lifestyle. Use Pinterest for extra inspiration. Fix your posture. Good posture helps to distribute the weight of the body evenly, reducing the strain on the muscles and joints. This can help prevent injuries and reduce pain in the back, neck, and shoulders. Standing tall with good posture can improve your overall appearance and make you more self-assured. This can have a positive impact on your personal and professional relationships. Fixing posture is important for your health and well-being as well as confidence. By making a conscious effort to improve posture through exercises, you can reap these benefits and improve own quality of life. Periodically use a lip guard. Dry, cracked lips are unmanly and look disgusting. Your lips are vulnerable to dryness and cracking, especially during cold days and sun exposure. Protecting lip balm can provide a protective barrier against these elements, preventing damage. Lips don't have own oil glands, which means they don't have a natural way to stay hydrated. Lip guard can help lock in moisture and prevent dryness, keeping lips soft and supple. Remember, cracked lips can create small openings that allow bacteria or viruses to enter your body, increasing the risk of infection. Protect yourself. Add crossbody bag to your outfits. It's not just for style but also for practicality. When you carry your phone, wallet, keys, and so on, you don't have to keep everything in your pocket. With a crossbody bag, all your handy essentials will be in one place. They come in a variety of sizes and styles, making them versatile accessories that can complement different outfits and occasions. They are suitable for any outfits. Ideally get them from more premium brands like LV and Goyard. Then the bag will coolly level up your look, even if the rest of the items are basic and simple. Add a silver bracelet. I personally don't like gold and I think silver suits men better. Silver bracelets can be in different styles and variations, but I advise you to choose thin and minimalistic models. Then they can be combined with any outfit. Remember, less is more. Give up thick chains, and in any case don't overload your look by putting on many at once. Start using Miswak stick. Never used it? Then give it a try. First of all, it only costs a couple of bucks. And it's a 100% natural. Miswak stick, also known as Sawak, is a traditional oral hygiene tool. Made from the twigs or roots of the Salvador persica tree, it has been used for centuries in many cultures as an alternative to toothbrushes and toothpaste. But that does not mean that you should give up the paste and brush. You can use Sawak during the day after meals. It will clean your mouth and even gradually whiten your teeth. It can also be used to clean the tongue and freshen the breath. Never forget to clean your ears. Paying attention to your face, hair, and everything else, don't ignore your ears. They are in a very visible place. Yes, it may look good in the mirror, but from the side, everyone can see all the filth and dirt that you have going on. It's repulsive. Wash your ears thoroughly every day with your facial cleanser, and in principle, this will be enough. The rest of the earwax is handled by the body itself. Different specialists advise not to use Q-tips. For prevention, you can clean your ear canals once a month with wipes soaked in hydrogen peroxide, or you can get ready-made products like Dibrox. Use hair masks. I'll be brief. If you have a long grown-out haircut, a hair mask once every 2 weeks will help moisturize and make it healthier. The main thing is to choose products with natural ingredients. Less sneakers, more classy. Listen, how many guys around still wear Jordans for every occasion? A lot of them. Be different by adding more classy shoes to your outfits. That doesn't mean you have to totally switch your favorite Air Forces for uncomfortable Oxfords. Your choice is minimalistic, pure leather sneakers. I also recommend adding monks, lace-up boots, and loafers. You can even pair them with hoodies and sweatshirts. Trust me, the girls will be delighted. The main thing is always keep your shoes clean and get the pair made of leather or suede. Yes, I myself love sneakers, and I'm not saying to completely remove them from your wardrobe. It's just that if your closet is dominated by colorful Jordans and Vans, then it's time to add some timeless pairs. Eat more veggies. Yes, that's what Mom says when we were a kid, but she was right. By adding more vegetables to your diet, you will get more vitamins and antioxidants. Vegetables are a rich source of nutrients like minerals and fiber, which are essential for good health. Eating a diet rich in vegetables has been linked to a lower risk of chronic diseases. Also, vegetables are low in calories but high in fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied after meals. This can make it easier to manage weight and prevent overeating.